Hello guys, welcome to my sister Phoebe. Today we're going to be talking about RC cars. These are pretty cool. I just have to say that. And as you can see, these RC cars go pretty fast. So yeah, I'll tell you where you can get them. And yeah, but first let's go see how fast this thing goes. Speed here, so because if I go full speed, it's gonna flip because it goes so fast. See, like that, and that happened. You see, that's what happens when you pull the trigger, almost like all the way down. So yeah. This thing goes around 77 miles per hour, and I got this thing from Hobbytown here. So yeah, Hobbytown is a place where there's like a lot of cool fast stuff. Like there's like RC airplanes, RC cars, and everything else like boats and all that. This is an RC car here. This is one of the, I believe, the third fastest one out of all of them. But yeah, you can get smaller ones, bigger ones. But make sure to look at the miles per hour, because if it's like 15, it's probably going to be a piece of crap. So don't buy that. So yeah, this was about $300, and yeah, as you can see, it's pretty cool. I'll explain what the parts are. Like, this is like a fan. You can come up close, and you can, I don't know if you guys can hear the fan or not, but it's a fan. And yeah, it has some babies on it. So yeah, RC cars are pretty freaking cool. If you get one from Target, it's not even an RC car. I think it's a Mo Control car, but it's not. This is way different. It's like this thing's faster than my golf cart. I want to show you guys what it can pull, and maybe. Yeah, I want to show you guys like what this thing can pull. So let me go try to find something for it to strap on, and we can try to pull it. I don't know, but let's see what we have here. As you can see, we didn't find anything. That was great. So, oh crap. So, yeah, I guess we can't clip anything onto this. The sad thing. But the good thing is I told you where to get this. I got mine at, what was it called? Oh my god. What was it called? It was called, Hobbytown. That's it. Thank you. It was called Hobbytown. So yeah, you can get, if you're from like a different city or state and you don't have Hobbytown, or just search up RC cars on the map, on Amazon or something like that. Google it, and then you'll find a place where to go, or you can say on Siri, whatever. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I bet, try to get 100 likes on this video, because it's my first one, and I decided to do it because I got an RC car. That's freaking awesome. So yeah, that was surprising, but I'm sorry we couldn't find any ropes or anything because we didn't have any, or we couldn't find anything. I don't know if we had it or not, but as you can see, that thing ran me over. But next video, I'll make sure we get that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye.
Bye.